Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-Valve Wednesday, one of my favorite days of the week. And today, surprise, not a Mustang. We have a 2010 Sport Trac Adrenalin that we installed our Stryker supercharger package on. So stick around. I'm going to show you a dyno pull we did just a little bit ago. This truck came in from Arizona, so we're running 91 octane today, not 93. We're going to watch that dyno pull, and you're going to check the details and description. You can read a lot more about this package. And please subscribe, hit notify. Let's get started. All right, before we watch the dyno pull, I do want to show you the supercharger on this awesome Adrenalin. And hey, if you have a Mountaineer, Explorer, or the Adrenalin, you know, the Sport Trac, 3-valve, 4.6 liter, this supercharger is for you. This is our Stage 2 kit, 8.9 PSI. Doug, come down here, take a look. We are running the Edelbrock TVS 2300 supercharger. You get the awesome Edelbrock competition cold air intake, as well as 41-pound fuel injectors and cold air spark plugs, the proper calibration, and we also install a DW fuel pump. So our Stage 1 kit can run the factory fuel pump. Our Stage 2, you get the upgraded fuel pump. If you have questions about this, leave a comment. If you wonder what's this cost to get installed, you just email quote@brenspeed.com. We've been running superchargers on, I used to have a Mountaineer supercharged. Doug behind the camera is still running an Explorer with a supercharger, and right now we're running the Edelbrock. So I used to run the Celine back in the day. Then we ran the Roush. All those superchargers are discontinued, so now we're using the TVS 2300 intercooled Edelbrock. It's awesome. Check out this dyno pull. Right, 390 real horsepower, 91 octane. We'll talk about that on our Dyno Jet rated SE. That's peaking at 6,200 RPMs where I left off. Torque came in a stellar 361 torque, and this thing has awesome torque all the way across the board. So like I mentioned earlier, we are running 91 octane. I did a video on one of these just a couple months ago, maybe like a month ago. I'll put a link at the end. You can just click on and watch a little bit more about the same supercharger running 93 octane. It made about 20 more real world horsepower, which is typical because, the more octane that you run, the more time you can run, but that's awesome. Those 390 real horsepower, torque came in at 360, right when you go wide open throttle. Doug, let's take one more look. Awesome. So it's a 2010, super clean. I think it's got about 100 and maybe like 15, 130,000 miles on it, but it's a sweet truck. Doug, let's look at the engine compartment one more time. Again, leave a comment if you have questions. Remember, this works on the Explorer. This works on the Mountaineer. And of course, a normal Sport Trac or the Sport Trac Adrenalin. We are running the Edelbrock intercooled TVS 2300. Our Stage 2 kit is 8 to 9 PSI. You can get a Stage 1. I'll put a link to both those in the description. So I'll do click on that description. You can read about the Stage 1, Stage 2, see the price differences, and you can email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? So that's pretty much it for today. It's 3-Valve Wednesday. I normally do a Mustang, but guess what? It's a 3-valve, so why not? Thanks for watching.